If you love someone, you make space for them even if there is no space. If you love someone, you make time for them even if there is no time. Such is the case with mangoes. It is the mango season and every desi person, may it be Indian or Pakistani, and they are craving for mangoes. And people who have been told that on keto diet or low carb diet you cannot eat mangoes, they are like burning. They look at mangoes with wishful eyes, and here I am to help you out. I'm not saying that mango is okay on keto diet, but there is a way of having mangoes and still not flaring up your blood sugar levels or destroying all that you have done in order to lose your weight. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right beside it so that you get immediate notification of all these tasty and wonderful recipes which comes along with useful information regarding your health. So let's start right after the intro. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and to make this tasty sweet dish you need 10 eggs. These 10 eggs are from my own home raised chickens. Yes, I have 3 chickens actually, and I waited till they had 10 eggs to make this sweet dish. Put all of these eggs in a blender jar, will not be making a lot of utensils dirty. In the same blender you add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. This vanilla essence will help to overcome the smell of the eggs. This is actually a wonderful way to make your kids eat a lot of eggs. And next to the star ingredient, we'll be using 100 gram of mango. You can cut it up into pieces or use it as a pulp. 100 gram is about a half cup. We will add it again in the same blender, and in that blender we'll also add 200 ml of coconut milk. How to make coconut milk, I did a 1-minute video just a short while back. Make sure you view it. You can also use a can if you need to. Make sure the can is BPA free. Now let's crunch some numbers and see what is our carb quota till now. In 100 gram of mango you have a net carb of 13.4 grams, and in 200 ml of coconut milk you have about 7.6 grams of net carbs. So if my math is correct, this is a total of about 21 gram carbohydrates in the whole dish, and it serves 8 people easily. So that is about 2.5 gram carbs per serving, which is impressive because after all it is a mango pudding. Anyway, to the same jug you have to add a sweetener. If you are diabetic or following keto diet, you can add stevia, erythritol, monk fruit, or any keto friendly sweetener. I am using stevia. However, you are making this pudding for kids or for elderly who are not diabetic or not looking to lose weight, you can add lots of honey. It tastes wonderful in this pudding. Just cover the blender and blend all the ingredients together. And now to the crucial step. Believe me, this is the step which will change your pudding from yeah, it's nice to wow, it is amazing. Okay, you have to make sure that your pudding comes out of your mold easily without breaking. And as you can see, I'm using a silicone mold which is a non-stick. Still I lined it with extra virgin olive oil. You can add some sugar-free chocolate syrup if you want. I have the recipe on my channel. I'm adding honey on it. Once you are sure that your pudding won't stick in your mold, now is the step of baking it. You can bake it in an oven. Just fill this tray with water that you can see and bake it at 160 degree for 55 minutes, or you can use a stove. See, I have a big pan, and in that I have put a stand, and I'll fill this big pot 1/4 with water. This is basically a method of cooking steamed puddings on a stove top. After adding the water, just put your pudding mold on the stand and fill it with the pudding batter. Now you have to cook it covered for about 55 minutes, just like you would bake in an oven at 160 degrees Celsius. You will have to cook this on a stove top. In the first 15 minutes your flame should be very high. After 15 minutes turn it to the lowest possible. After 55 minutes, when you open the cover, there will be a lot of steam and a lot of wonderful aroma of mangoes wafting all through your kitchen. Now just put in a skewer to see if your pudding is done or not. As you can see, our pudding is done. The skewer is clean and you cannot eat it just now. Okay, leave it to cool down first over the rack and then overnight in a fridge. Puddings actually are best served cold. If they are like cold enough, they'll come out of mold easily. As you can see, my pudding came out easily and you can see it is delicious. You can eat it like that but the person for whom I made this pudding loves cherries. So I added some cherries on the top of it. This is what I love about cooking at home. There is no wrong way. You can cook whatever you want to cook, okay? And this is a tip. If you have people or kids or elderly who do not like the food you prepare with them, I have many patients. They tell me that they spend so much time in the kitchen making healthy dishes and no one eats them, and I tell them, give them what they want to eat. If they're little kids, put it in like shiny wrappers or small plates. Serve them the healthy dish in their doll's party the way they like it. Anyway, as you can see, I'll cut this pudding for you, and you can just see the texture and the color of the pudding. This is the best I can do on a video. You cannot smell the wonderful mouth-watering aroma of this pudding, and you cannot taste the creamy texture, the chilled ice creamy texture of this pudding. You have to make this at home. Anyway, see the cross section. Can you see? See, it is full of it is full creamy and smooth. And you can see this is a huge serving. You can even serve like 16 people with this pudding. Kids or elderly, everyone is gonna like it, guaranteed. Okay, and if someone you love likes it with the cherry, serve it with the cherry. As you have seen, we have made a mango pudding and it is so delicious. I bet you won't stop eating it, but you have to keep in mind the portion sizes and the quantity in which you are going to enjoy this pudding. The thing is, if you limit yourself, you can enjoy the good things in life and still be safe from their harmful side effects. So thank you for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate it. Leave your comments below on how you like this pudding. Till you meet next time. Take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.